Open this. Class content, tools FS, 7001. What's there? Maven. Yeah, Maven based. More on Maven tool, right? Yes. Save this document, guys. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Maven build commands to pack the entire application into what? jar file. Right now we are dealing with the standalone application. Standalone application, what is the best packing mechanism? Jar. For standalone application, what's the best way of packing, guys? Jar. Okay, guys. To pack the entire application into what? Jar file. Right click on the project, run as build. Okay, what is the goal we have to use, guys? Package. What is the goal we have to use, guys? Package. Yeah, by default, with the project name, jar file will come. Everything of the project will be combined. What is the file, guys? With the project name only, jar file will be created. Whatever name is there for project, with that name only, jar will be created. Shall we check that one practically, guys? Switch workspace, what is there? 7001. Yeah. Maven is having a life cycle. Okay, how many built-in life cycles are there? 3. Okay. First one, default. It is related to build process now. Related to project cleaning process. Third one, what is that? Side. That is related to documentation. That's purely related to documentation generation, right? Okay. Right, boss. That is purely related to documentation generation. This is my Maven Pros 01. What is there? Maven Pros 01. Close all editors. Here is my pom.xml. Here is my what, guys? Pom.xml. So many jars are added. Right click on the project. Where is this? Run as. Here, what is there? Maven build dot dot is there, na? Array dot 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 means we have to give the command. We have to give the command. So I'm giving what, guys? Package. What is there? Package. Package goal of package should execute. Package phase should execute. Click on this. Here we are getting message build success. It won't reflect in the current package. You say refresh, guys. Refresh. Go to the target folder, guys. Having project name one jar is created or not, guys? Okay. Delete it. You do it again. Run as run build maven build. What is this package? Say apply, say run. This is my build success or not, guys? Say refresh. Understanding my statement, guys? Say refresh. Getting my point here? Yes. This is my build success option or not, my dear? Okay. But I want to get control on that jar file name. I want to pack with my choice name, boss. I don't want to pack just like that. I want to pack with it. For that purpose, we have to go for package. Here plug is there now. Build is there. Under build, what is there, guys? Final name. What name? Final name. Okay. Listen, I am giving just pros 0. I am giving just pros 01. So if you don't give this name, project name. When you give this name, it will happen with this name. But before that, I want to clean entire target folder content. I want to create freshly. Super, guys. Now tell me, run as, what is this? Maven build dot dot. Maven build dot dot dot. What is the option we are using, guys? Clean. What is the option we are using, guys? Clean. And only clean phase I am trying to do. Say apply, say run. Say apply, say run. Build success. At the end, what happens, guys? Say refresh. Say refresh. Not able to see? One, two chairs you get and go back. Otherwise, bring the chair and sit here. Yeah, you sit there. Yeah. Run as I said clean, guys. Once I clean it, let's see. Refresh. Target folder has become empty folder now, boss. That means it is cleaning everything that is generated already. Okay. Now you say build. Run as build dot dot. See, boss. You don't want to type command separately. Then we have this. Then they have this option or not, guys. Build dot 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 on. Tell me here what is there. Clean. Okay. Clean package. First it will do cleaning activity. Existing one will be deleted. Then packing activity takes place. First it will do cleaning activity. Then what it will do, guys? Packing activity. Super, guys. Apply here. Say run. Okay. Look at this one. Refresh. Perfect. Here is target folder. This is my pros1 dot jar or not, guys? That is my pros1 jar dot jar or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. What to be done in pom.xml to get jar or var file name with our choice packaging activity? So place final name inside the builder tag of pom.xml. That is what we discussed now, boss. If project is created using maven archetype quick start, then we will get jar file name representing what? Standalone application. If project is created using what? Maven archetype web app, then we will get var file representing what? Web application. Var file web application. Yeah, goals cleaning is happening, my dear. Okay. If you want to do both together, we can use clean and package together. Clean and package together are not there, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Are not only I want to pack it, Rababu. Not only I want to pack it. Whatever output, whatever jar generated, I want to keep that jar file in the maven local repository. What repository? Maven local repository. Then we have option called install. What is there? We have the option called what? Install. but we'll see install later. But first of all, let me keep some meaningful code in this application, guys. Because we are keeping a jar file in the local repository, mean somewhere in some other projects we want to use it now, boss. So let's try to keep some meaningful code for that. Here is my main package. Let it be, guys. Here I am taking package name as com.nt.service. What dot service, guys? com.nt.service. Right click class. Right click class. Arithmetic. What is there? Arithmetic. Arithmetic. Tell me. Public int sum into x comma. What is there? Into y. Into x comma into y. Return x plus y. Return x plus y. Arithmetic. Arithmetic. This is my arithmetic, my dear. Raj, online students, am I visible? I think this WebEx is having some problem. All clear? Okay, that's good. This is my arithmetic.java. Some meaningful code I am writing, guys. Okay. This is my main class. Main class. Tell me what is the main class? Testing. Testing application. There I am taking main class. There I am taking main class. That's good. Here is my arithmetic. Arithmetic AR is equal to, tell me, new arithmetic of, right? System.out.println result colon AR dot sum 10 comma 20. AR dot sum 10 comma 20. Test application dot Java run as Java application. Here we are getting result 13, my dear. Okay, we are running normally, not running through maven. We are running like any other Java application, guys. Right click, run as Java. Through maven also we can run. That's process is there. We will discuss later. Okay, guys. This is the code I have. This is the code. This code I want to pack. Okay. Not only I want to pack, I want to keep in what? Registry. I want to keep in what? Maven local repository. For that purpose, we have to think about using install option or not, guys. Before installing, I want to clean the existing project. I want to clean the existing content, guys. Run as, where is this? Build dot dot dot. First I am executing what command? Clean. It cleans it. Then what next? I am going to take install. Arrow apply, arrow run. In the target folder, pros1.jar only came 1 minute. Right click, refresh. pros1.jar only came now, my dear. But not, that is anyhow happening through package itself. But install it also keeps a copy in what? Maven local repository. What is the location of Maven local repository, guys? The location of Maven local repository is C drive What's there, guys? C drive. Next, users. Next, what is next, guys? Natraz. Next, M2. Next, repository. Right? M2. What is there, guys? A repository. Here I have to search for the jar file. Okay, but listen. Though project is created with pros1.jar, but you search for pros. Is there any jar with pros01, guys? It's not coming, right? But you try with the previous name, maven pros01. Maven pros01. In target folder, it will reflect with final name. But in maven local repository, it again comes on what? Project name only. It won't come on the final name that you have given. So which is right, guys? 418. This is the latest one only, na? This is the latest one. Open in folder location. Pros01 snapshot. Here, jar is kept in Maven local repository or not, guys? This jar is kept in Maven local repository or not? What's the advantage of it? Why should I think about it? You may have that doubt now, my dear. Come on. Okay, array, by including this one as a dependency in another project, I can enjoy the content of the project one in other project or not, guys? I can definitely enjoy the content of the project in another project or not, guys? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Maven pros01 snapshot.jar. What dot jar, guys? Snapshot.jar. That's great. Okay, now in my maven pros1 arithmetic class is there. I don't want to copy that class to new project, but I want to enjoy benefits of that class in new project, right? Okay, guys. I'm taking a new project now. Maven project. Okay, Maven Pros 2 is for the Maven inheritance. That part is over. Now I'm taking an independent project 3, guys. Come to this place. Here is my what? Maven. What is there? Archetype. What is there? Quick start. Maven archetype quick start. That's great. Say next. What is there, guys? Say next. After that, what next? 1 minute. Maven pros 03. Okay, guys? 03. I'm taking it. Say, what's the default package you want to get? com.nt.main. Save, finish. Save, finish. Say yes. This is my build success or not, guys? This is definitely what? Build success. Project is ready. In this project, one main class has come, that is application.java. Here I want to call method of arithmetic class. But arithmetic class is there pros1 na, boss. But arithmetic class related jar is there in local repository. Okay, that I can I can add to pros3 as a dependency. But for to add it as dependency, I need what is there? Group ID, artifact ID, version somewhere. Nothing to worry, guys. Go to this place. This is my pom.xml, guys. Come on. Open in the notepad, my dear. Try to open in the notepad. So here is my group ID, artifact ID, and version. Group ID, artifact ID, and what? Version. Array, this project, this jar file related group ID is there in that section, boss. Come on. Yes, boss. Tell me. Come to this. Go to third project to pom.xml file. Third project to pom.xml file. Go to third project to pom.xml and it's a dependency section. What section? Dependency open. Dependency open. Yes, guys. Version artifact ID this. Version artifact ID this. Clear, boss? Got the point, my dear? Come on, everyone. This is group ID. This is artifact ID. This is what? Version. This is version. Okay, now you go to application.java, my dear. What.java? Application. Actually, arithmetic. See, now you observe in pros3 dependencies list. Pros3 dependencies list. Pros1 jar has come now, my dear. Come on, my dear. Pros1 jar is coming over there or not there? And pros1 dependency is also coming over there or not there? So that is not important. Now, arithmetic class is able to visible here. When that I made it as dependent now, boss. So far we have worked with the ready-made dependencies related to Spring. I created my own project as dependency kept in local repository. I have added that dependency to new project. And now new project can able to use what? Maven pros1 related classes. Okay, see this. Arithmetic AR is equal to arithmetic of system.out.println result AR dot, where is this? Sum of 100 comma 200. 100 comma 200. That's great. Yeah, this is my application.java. Right, this one. Oh, error is coming. What's the error? Unsupported class version. Unsupported class version. I will tell the reason. I think there we changed Java version to 21. This is still running with 17. That compatibility issue has come, my dear. Okay, fine. First go to pros3 pom.xml. Here also you change the version to 21. How does it reflect, guys? If you change 21, it will reflect. Or should I go for maven update? After changing Java version through properties, we have to go for maven update activity or not, guys? We have to go for maven update activity or not, guys? Here is what? Maven update project say. Update project say this. That's great. Right click, tell me, run as Java application. Result is 300 is coming or not, guys? Did you understood the real power of install? Generally people says install installs to local repository. But what is the use of keeping in local repository? It has become maven dependency like any other Spring dependency, right? So since it is there in local repository in this computer, in any project I can make it as a dependent and I can start enjoying classes of that project or not, guys? That is the advantage of what? Maven install. This is how we have to take the benefit from what? Maven install. Convinced, guys? Yeah, check it out. To keep current project packaging jar file in Maven local repository. Install is the option you have to. That project has come over there now, boss. Procedure to use above project jar file classes in the new project, new Maven project of same system by collecting above project from Maven local repository of this system. I'm asking to create a new project using Maven archetype quick start. Change the version to 21 because previously we changed it to 21, right? Okay, there in pom.xml of pros2 I am asking to add what? Pros1 related dependency, pros1 related group ID, artifact ID and version. Pros1 related group ID, artifact ID and what? Version. Add under dependency stack. Collect group ID, artifact ID, version info from .pom file of Maven local repository from same folder where above project jar file is saved. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. If you not create then pros1.jar, then we are adding to project 2. It will work, sir. If you not create, Arsh Mahalinga, I did not understand your English wording, guys. If we not create the pros1.jar, then we adding to pros2, it will work. Without creating jar, how you add, ra? What is the most important prerequisite to attend my classes? Common sense. You only saying that jar is not created. Without creating jar, what you add to project 2? Harsh Mahaling, I want reply. No, why you are saying okay, sir? I said one question, I asked one reverse question. You only said jar is not created. Without jar not creation, what you keep in local repository, what you add in project to, what you keep in local repository, number one, what you add in project to, jar is minimum na boss. Please don't forget the fundamentals, boss. Okay. Yes, guys. Now this is done. Okay. Next. That is coming. Use application class of above project to create object for app class. Their main class name is app. Here app2 is the application. There I have taken arithmetic. Here I have taken this one. So at the end we are running the application normally now, my dear. Super, guys. What is real-time use case for Maven install command? What command? Maven install command creates a jar file representing the current project and also keeps that jar file in Maven local repository as a dependency. So we can use that dependency in other Maven project of same system having reusability as shown above. Practical example scenario for Maven inheritance. Already we just discussed it. Come on, yesterday we discussed it now, boss. Maven inheritance. Okay. Yesterday we added those statements in front of you, right? So we got the idea about Maven cleans it. Maven install, what it will do, guys?
Being recorded.
Maven install command. Then if you use maven install command, then the what will happen, guys? Maven install command. The jar file name in target folder. In target folder comes with the name of with the name specified in the what tag, guys? Final name tag. What tag, guys? Final name tag. And the jar file name in Maven local repository comes with the name called with the name of project name. Maven project name. What name, guys? Maven project name. I hope you convinced with this, guys. Okay. Now let's see. We have cases using the tools. Okay. Yes. I want that more exclusively later. I will use it, but today I'm going to satisfy some unit in commands. So unit will try but our main focus is in what? Maven only. Our main focus is on what? Maven. Online students, am I audible, guys? Am I visible, guys? Now clear, huh? I think WebEx player is having some technical issue, guys. Sometimes it's going good, sometimes it's giving problem. Yeah, now it's clear. So whenever problem comes, wait until it clears automatically. Because you cannot say network problem. Look at the internet speed in this room. 90 Mbps speed is there. So problem is not with the network bandwidth. Problem is with what? Okay. Problem is with WebEx player. Okay. Okay, guys. Now listen. This is the project I have. In this one, arithmetic class is there now, boss. Arithmetic class is there. In that one, sum method is there, right? I want to write test cases. A good programmer always tests the code by writing test cases. Test case is a test plan where expected results will be verified with what? Actual result. And when I do calculation manually, some result will come. When I run the code with real value, some other result will come. Whether both are matching or not. Whether both are matching or not. If matching, test result is positive. If not matching, test result is negative. Total how many test cases we should write? Any number you can write. But you should better to write test cases by keeping quantity in mind, variety in mind. Variety in mind. I have written test case for some method with two positive number 10, 20. Is there any need of writing one more test case with a 30, 40? Is there any need of writing one more test case with the number 40, 50? There is no need. There is no need, there is no necessity at all, right? Why? There is no need, there is no necessity at all. Why so? The reason is very simple. The reason is what? Very simple. The reason is very simple. What is the use of quantity of test cases of same type? We need quality and variety of test cases, right? Come on, my dear. Always write test cases having quality and variety. Don't go for what? Quantity. There's no meaning of testing same application with different values of same type. You test with different varieties of input, right, boss? Variety is very, very important, right? Okay. So now let's see how to do that work, guys. Let's see how to do that work. Close all editors. Maven process 03. Okay, I'm taking first one only. Here arithmetic class is there. I want to write test cases. Generally we write test cases where, guys? SRC test Java, right, boss? This is my app test.java. By default one default class also they are giving, boss. They are giving one default class. Okay. Already JUnit jars are coming, my dear. JUnit jars are coming or not coming? No doubt they are coming. So let us test that sum method with the different varieties of input. Test with positives, test with negatives, test with zeros, test with mixed values. 4 test cases. Okay, let's write those test case one. Public void. What is there? Public void. Test sum. Test sum with positives. Okay, guys. On the top of it, you write @test. On the top of it, you write @test. Are you getting my point there, boss? Okay, that's great. Public void test sum with positives. Test sum with positive. Okay. I am taking into x is equal to 10 into y is equal to 20. Into x is equal to 10 into y is equal to 20. One is x10, other one is what? y20. Got it, guys? Come on, everyone. x10, y20. Find result. Into result is equal to, okay, first of all, arithmetic class, what class, guys? Arithmetic AR is equal to new arithmetic of. I created object for arithmetic class or not, guys? I created object for arithmetic class or not, guys? Super. Int result is equal to AR dot sum 10 comma 20. Here is what? 100 comma 200. What is there, guys? 100 comma 200. Yeah, tell me. Here, to test the expected results with actual result, we have assert triplex methods, guys. What methods? I'll talk all these things more exclusively in JUnit class. Today you just worry about. So this is my actual result now, my dear. This is my actual result. Into actual is equal to this. Can I say this is my expected manual calculation I am doing? I am saying 30 here. Into expected is 30. Into actual is equal to this. What is there? Assert equals what, guys? Assert equals. Hey, assert equal. What is there, guys? Assert equal. Okay, first what you have to write? First, assert equal. It is not recognizing assert equals, guys. Okay, here assertion dot star. What is that? Assertion dot star. Array, this is the static method, my dear. It has come now, boss. Okay, first expected. I have written expected here. Next what? Actual. I have written actual here. Assert equals expected comma actual. Expected comma. Sir, what is this, sir? I am not getting it. Array, this is static import, ra. If I go for static import, static methods of the class can be called without class name, without object. You remember static imports concept, guys? Okay. See, first what I done? I have taken data, I stored expected result manually. I created object, I call the method, I got the actual result. Both I am passing to assert equals method. It will generate what? Test report by matching expected results with actual results or not, guys? By simply matching expected results with what? Actual results. Interesting, my dear. Come on, everyone. Copy these guys, paste. Test sum with negatives. What, guys? Test sum with negative. Test sum with negatives. Minus 10, minus 20. Expected is what? Minus 30. Here, I am hard coding there. I can pass x and y here only, na? X here, y here. Here also x here, y here. Assert equals expected comma what? Actual. Test sum with negatives. Okay. At the rate test. Public void. Test sum with mixed values. What values? Mix. Minus 10, positive 20. Okay, here what? Minus 10. Arithmetic x comma y. Achha, I think plus 20, plus 10 will come now, boss. How much will come? Plus 10 will come. Okay, guys? Minus 20, this one. Expected is 10. Magnesh Dhone. I think it will, problem will set right automatically. The problem will set right automatically or not, guys? Int actual AR dot sum x comma y. Assert equals expected comma what? Actual. Okay. All good, huh? Fine. Next, boss. One more test method with negatives, with zeros. Like this, we are writing every test case for variety, na? One per each variety we are writing or not, guys? We are writing on one per each variety. Okay. Test sum with zeros. Test sum with zeros. Here 0, here 0. Expected is 0. Here dot sum x comma y. Here is my 0. Here is my 0. Assert equals expected comma actual. Assert equals expected comma actual, guys. Save this one. It's been saved, guys. Right. Okay. Testing app.java. Run as what? Java application. Okay, that is running as a normal application, main method execute. But now we want to run as a maven test phase or not, guys? Maven test phase is there? Okay, guys, tell me. Right click on the project. Okay, here run as. See, build dot dot means you have to write the test manually. You don't want to write like this. Okay, we have a direct command to execute now, boss. Okay, I'll show both, don't worry. Build dot dot, you have to specify goal separately, my dear. Arrow apply, arrow run. It will run up to test phase, guys. Before that, all activities will be completed. We are getting build success. Total how many tests are happened? 4. Any failures are there? 0. Errors are there? 0. Skipped is what? 0. Like this, we are getting the test report over there. That means test cases are executed or not, guys. Okay. Wantedly, I will make sure that one is failed. Actually expecting 10, guys, but I wantedly written 11. Some wantedly I have written 11. I know that's wrong, but I am checking like that. Okay. Instead of writing you test phase manually separately, you can click on this. Maven test. It's saying build failure. Build failure. If you go to the top, guys, what is the reason for failure, guys? Test. Tests are what? 4. Failures are what? 1. No exceptions are raised. That's why errors are 0. I'm not ignoring any test, guys. That's why it is saying what? Skipped 0. We are able to run the test cases, my dear. Are we running that one manually or maven is taking care of that? As a process, it is automatically taking care of it or not, guys? As a process, it is automatically taking care of it or not, guys? Say something, my dear. I want reply, guys. So that means as part of build activity, it is also as part of build activity, it is also completing testing or not, guys. Or I want to pack the code. The same application, I want to pack the code. Let me put everything perfect. This is a 10. Let me pack the code. Right click, tell me. Run as, where is this? Right click, run as, tell me, boss. Maven build dot dot dot. What dot dot dot, guys? Maven build dot dot dot. Here is my what, guys? Test. Arrow apply, not test, guys. We'll say package only. But before package only, what phase is there? Test phase is there. Arrow run. Build success. What success, guys? But before that test phase also executed now, my dear. This also gives me jar file now, my dear. It gives definitely jar file, guys. Refresh. Cause 01 dot jar. What dot jar, guys? Pros 01 dot jar. Pros 01 dot jar. It's happening or not happening, my boss? Everyone convinced with me, my dear. Come on. Everyone understood my statement here or not, guys? Okay. X0, Y0. Int expected what? 0. Arithmetic AR is equal to new arithmetic. Int actual is equal to AR dot sum 0 comma 0. Assert equals expected comma what guys? Actual. Expected comma actual. Is it working or not working guys? So test cases we are able to run and we are able to feel the output of it. But I don't want this console output, my dear. But before that, let me read out what is discussed. Test case is a test plan where expected results will be matched with actual result. Each at the rate test method represent one test case. Maven project gives JUnit dependency as default dependency so that we can write test cases which will be executed automatically in the test phase of Maven default lifecycle. Every test case is a test plan in the form of what? At the rate test method in test case class. In test case class, test case methods will be there annotated with at the rate test. In test case class, the what guys? Test case methods will be there annotated with what guys? Annotated with at the rate test methods. Annotated with at the rate test. Annotated with at the rate test. Okay, guys. To practice this code, what to do? Create uh, create Maven project 17 to 17. Update the project or 21 also you can take. Each test case is a test plan. Okay. Right click on the project, run as Maven build goal test. Okay, there I have written 3 test cases. JRS are build success. Okay, guys. Now I'm interested in what you know. I would like to generate test report, guys. What report? I would like to generate what? Test report. That too as a GUI document. That too as what? GUI document. Okay. Generating test report of JUnit using Maven Surefire Report plugin. What is there? Surefire Report plugin. This plugin generates HTML file as a report having detailed information about the JUnit test cases that are executed. Detailed information about the JUnit test cases that are executed. Right click on the project, run as Maven build goals surefire report guys. What is there? Surefire report. Surefire report. Every plugin contains multiple goals representing multiple tasks that it can perform. Surefire that can perform. Surefire report goals are Surefire report, generate test report HTML format, report only. This code does not run the test, only builds the report, directly build the report without running the test case. Fail safe report, this goal does not run the test, only builds the what report guys? IT reports. But what is there? Fail safe report only. What do you mean by fail safe? Success or failure, you prepare the report. Success or failure, what is there guys? You prepare the report. That's the meaning of that guys. Surefire report. This is the report guys. This is the report. Okay. Fine guys. Let's see whether report is coming or not. So now everything is positive guys. Right click on the project, run as build dot. What is there? Surefire report. Goals, surefire, colon, report. Yarrow apply, yarrow run. Build failure. Acha, report. Surefire report. I think I have given wrong things. Yeah, where is that, guys? Surefire report, colon report. Say apply, say run. It's a downloading necessary things, guys. Okay, but observe lots of downloadings are happening. Build success. Before the tests are running or not there. Before the tests are running or not there. Test run 4. What is there? Test run 4. Failure 0. Errors 0. Skipped 0. Time elapsed is what? 0.008. Whatever it is. Everything is happening, my dear. But you say refresh, guys. Okay, refresh. Surefire reports has come. Okay, forget about that. Reports has come. Here, surefire.html is there. But let me open this HTML file in a browser. Open with a web browser. Array. Window menu, web browser. Let me use Chrome browser. What's the default browser I'm taking, guys? Chrome browser. Surefire.html. Open with what? HTML editor or web browser. Web. See, guys, Surefire report, summary, 4 tests. It's coming package wise also, guys. And each test and its information is coming or not, guys. Each test coming and its information is also coming, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay. So if any error is there, error related report also will come. Suppose I wantedly fail some error, guys. Okay, I'll say minus 10. I say minus 10 should come, but actually is giving positive 10. Okay. Let's run as, where is this? Maven build dot. Where is that, guys? Test. Arrow apply, arrow run. Error has come, but that error, it is reflecting in the page or not, I want to check. 1 minute. It's my mistake because I have to run that plugin related one. Build dot. Come on, build dot. Surefire. What is there? Report. What is there? Report. Arrow apply. Arrow this. Say refresh, guys. It is giving what? 4 tests, 0 errors. Failures 1. Failures 1 it is showing, my dear. Okay, look at app test. Okay, it is showing the error. Expected minus 10, it was 10. Like these things are coming nicely over there or not there. This is what we need to focus. Okay, next one, guys. Report only is there. One option, report only is there, guys. Right click, run, build dot. Tell me. Surefire report. What is there? Surefire report. report hyphen only. Say run. What is there, guys? Say run. Build success. See, guys, we get the report, no doubt, but is it running any test cases in the console? Does it running any test cases in the console, guys? Come on, my dear. Does it running any test cases in the console, my dear? No. But test report will come. It's not like that report is not there. Say refresh, guys. Refresh. Surefire.html, guys. HTML. Open with the web browser, guys. Web browser. But still any problem in the report generation, guys? There is no any problem towards what? Report generation. So without running the test cases, directly generates the report. Okay, how can I feel you? It is generating report directly. I will go for positive number. I'll go for what? Positive number. Right click, run as, what is there? Maven build dot dot. First I want to clean existing thing. What is there? Surefire. Tell me. A report. What is there? A report hyphen only. A report hyphen only. Say run. Say run. See, no tests are running here. Any tests are running here? Any test related? But still we have surefire.html, guys. Say refresh, guys. This is my surefire.html. Open with what? Web browser. Okay. Open with what? Web browser. Okay. Generating report without running the test. Without running the test. Though tests are not running. That's why zero test it is showing, my dear. Did you notice it, guys? Report generated by running tester without running tester. Tests are not run. So that's why in the report also generated tests are what? Okay. Only report but no tests are running. That means blank values, zero values are coming there or not, guys? Okay. What is the difference between Surefire report and Surefire report only goals or Surefire report plugin? Report goal of Surefire report plugin not only execute JUnit test code but also generates what? Test report having surefire.html name. Target / reports folder. What folder, guys? Report only goal Surefire plugin does not execute test